Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully, and we're gonna go outside of the office here today. We just had a customer bring a boat to us, having some DC electrical problems. Sent the tech out there. We thought maybe some rodents or varmints got into the wiring. Not really sure what's going on, actually. Tech went out there, TJ took a look at it and said, I should probably go look at it. So, it must be something good if TJ's telling me I gotta go look at it. So, let's go check this boat out, right, that one right there, and let's see what's going on and what's happening behind the scenes on this one. Let's check it out. All right, so I got on board the boat and looked behind the helm. Everything was fine there. All the wiring looked good there. So came back here and we looked at the battery switch, and lo and behold, we've got some singe marks here, and looks like maybe somebody has let the smoke out of the battery switch. So I think we found the source of our problem here. So as I open up the battery storage area here, you're going to see that, well, we had a big problem. Thankfully, the thermal breaker did its job and it popped. But you notice this wires have all been melted back. We've gone ahead right here and we've cut these wires back. But, you know, here's the old wires, and you kind of start to see some of what's going on here. So, looks like a potential real hazard there was thankfully stopped. But, yeah. We're going to get this all taken care of and see what's happening and what caused all of this. I'm not sure if it's a switch or an animal or what. I can't really tell you at this point in time. But, yeah, guys, be safe out there. If you do have an issue like this, give us a call. We'll get you taken care of and get you turn and burn and back out onto the water. And remember, guys, be safe, be good, and see you guys later. Peace.